Welcome to TonnoFlip Shop. Today we'll be doing the installation of this hard folding tonneau cover Ram Box 2025. You get two boxes, one with the rails, the drain systems and accessories, and the other box you have the actual tonneau cover. Once you assemble the rail system here, you're gonna go ahead and slide it in through the factory rails on this Ram 1500. You have to make sure that it's pointing forward and you go all the way to the back here. Now we're gonna do the same process on the other side. Assembling the rail system. Easy installation here. Every time we can, we're gonna be doing videos of different trucks, installations, different products. March 2026, launching our new website, TonnoFlip.com, new warehouse in Miami, Florida. You're gonna make sure that the rail is touching the bulkhead here. It's all the way to the back so you can close the tailgate. Now he's gonna be installing the drain tubes. Gonna be doing the same process on both sides. Just install it there, and this truck comes with a factory hose, so you just run the hose through it. Some trucks don't have this hole and you have to make it, that's optional. But this Ram 1500 comes with the hole here, so you can go through with the hose. Plug it in here, and that's it, you're good to go. If any water comes through the rail, it's gonna go through here, then it's gonna go through the drain system, and it's going out the truck. Now it's gonna be installing the bulkhead seal. Different trucks, different lengths bulkhead. We're gonna cut here, and then you can throw this away. You're gonna make sure you cut it right on the edge. Once the tonneau cover is up here, it's gonna seal the back, and no water should come through this part. It's really light tonneau cover made of aluminum. He's gonna put it on the rails here. He's gonna align it now, push it forward until it touches the bulkhead. Different types of screws, some are longer, some are shorter. You're gonna install this threaded tube. It has a thread inside, so the screw goes through it here. You're gonna insert the clamp there. Now with the short screws, you're gonna install the other part. Focus strap here. And this is to be used when you want to travel with the tonneau cover in this position here. You don't want to open, you don't want it closed, then you use this. You're gonna get two of these screws, and these are to attach the tonneau cover to the actual rail. You're gonna insert one here in this canal, and the other one on the other side. You're gonna make sure it goes through the rail hole. You're gonna get two washers in the package, and the first thing you're gonna install is this washer through the screw, and then the star knob that we get in the package. Perfectly aligned here. Tighten the star knob. Do the same process on both sides. Completely tighten. On this Ram 1500, you're gonna install two bumper stoppers exactly placed here on this position. So when you have the cover fully open, it's not gonna make any damage to the cabin. Two hard bumper stoppers here. Ready to be used. Gonna test it again now to make sure it latches on the rail system. Everything working perfectly here. We're gonna go ahead and remove these because these are installed for shipping purposes only, so you don't have to leave them on. Make sure you take them off. I'm gonna show you the operation real quick here. You can open this tonneau cover with the handle that we have instead of a cable. We have handles here. We have the prop rods here, so you can drive with the cover fully open. Look at this prop rod. Somebody's gonna have to clean up this tonneau cover because I'm about to step on it so people can see. You can actually walk on it. It holds up to 500 pounds. Ram Rebel 1500 2025. Final product, TonnoFlip tonneau cover. The best in the world. Don't be buying nothing else. Wait for us. TonnoFlip.com.